Welcome to our videos. In the latest research, scientists have discovered that the maximum temperature that the Earth can withstand is far beyond our imagination. Behind this is a shocking truth that reveals the disasters we may face in the future. What is the highest temperature on Earth? According to the World Meteorological Organization, Valley of Fire in California once recorded extremely high temperatures of up to 56.7 degrees Celsius each year. The temperature is so high that people cannot imagine what it would be like to live in such an extremely hot environment. Surprisingly, this is not the only place on Earth with extremely high temperatures. Shocking temperatures have been recorded elsewhere. For example, Mitrba in Kuwait recorded a temperature of 54 degrees Celsius on July 21, 2016, while Basra in Iraq also reached 53.9 degrees Celsius. So what causes the temperatures in these places to be so high? This is mainly related to geographical location and climatic conditions. Valley of Fire, located between California and Nevada, is the lowest geological point in the world and one of the hottest places in the United States. The high temperatures here are mainly due to the location and shape of the basin, which is located in a tropical climate zone with dry temperatures, lack of precipitation, and low elevation terrain, among other factors. High temperatures in Kuwait and Iraq are mainly due to the hot desert climate of these two areas. They are located in the Persian Gulf region, where summer temperatures often reach 50 degrees Celsius, making it one of the hottest places in the world. High temperatures and prolonged dry conditions make these areas unbearable. We cannot blame geography and climate for extremely high temperatures. Human activity also has a significant impact on temperature. Global warming is causing more frequent heat waves and more extreme temperatures, a problem that cannot be ignored. Climate change is exacerbating droughts and heat waves, creating a breeding ground for extreme heat. To solve this problem, we need to act to mitigate human-caused climate change. Improving energy efficiency, promoting the use of renewable energy, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions are the directions in which we cooperate. The highest temperature on Earth can reach 56.7 degrees Celsius, and the records for extreme temperatures around the world are staggering. This is a combination of geographical and climatic factors, along with the influence of global warming. To solve this incredible mystery, we need to pay attention to protecting the environment and minimizing the negative impact of human activities on the climate. The truth about global warming. Global warming is one of the most important environmental challenges facing the world today. According to research and surveys by scientists, the upper limit of the Earth's temperature increase is a key issue, directly related to the stability of the global climate and human living environment. Through studying Earth's historical records and analyzing existing data, scientists have come to a relatively consistent conclusion. The increase in Earth's temperature needs to be controlled within about 1.5 to 2 degrees Celsius to avoid extreme climate events and ecological damage. This scope has been widely accepted by the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change and has become an important goal of countries around the world in global climate negotiations. Why do we need to limit the increase in Earth's temperature from 1.5 to 2 degrees Celsius? Beyond this range, the global climate will become even more unbalanced, possibly leading to catastrophic consequences. With the current climate warming trend, a temperature increase of more than 2 degrees Celsius will lead to serious consequences, such as rising sea levels, increased extreme weather events, and the collapse of ecosystems. A temperature increase of more than 2 degrees Celsius will accelerate ice melting and sea level rise. Melting glaciers will lead to instability in global water supplies, leading to extreme weather events such as droughts and floods. Rising sea levels will threaten the living environment of coastal areas. Many island nations and coastal cities may be at risk of being submerged. Limit the Earth's temperature increase from 1.5 to 2 degrees Celsius. To achieve this goal, countries around the world need to strengthen cooperation, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve energy efficiency, and increase the development and use of renewable energy. At the same time, the international community needs to strengthen adaptation and mitigation of climate change and promote research, development, and dissemination of innovative technologies. Only in this way can we ensure that the planet's temperature rise remains under control and create a sustainable future for people and natural ecosystems. Heat waves caused by global warming. Global warming is a global problem that attracts much attention. It is a series of environmental changes caused by rising global temperatures. So how long can the Earth withstand such a heat wave? Heat wave is a weather phenomenon with high temperatures occurring for many consecutive days and will seriously affect people's lives and health. People often experience symptoms such as fatigue, thirst, dizziness, and even heat stroke, which can even be life-threatening in severe cases. Heat waves can also pose a serious threat to agricultural land, water sources, and animal and plant habitats. So how hot are heat waves caused by global warming? Scientists found that the Earth's average temperature increases every decade, and 2019 is considered the hottest year on record. Heat waves caused by global warming are becoming more common and longer lasting. Heat waves can last for weeks or even months in some areas. As global warming increases, the threat posed by heat waves will continue to increase. Some studies suggest that if global temperatures continue to rise, heat waves will increase in frequency and intensity. This will expose more people to the threat of heat waves, and human adaptive capacity will also face greater challenges. We also need to consider the sustainability of the ecosystem. Heat waves can severely impact animal and plant habitats. Some studies have found that high-temperature weather can lead to plant drought, animal migration, and habitat destruction. If heat waves happen too often or last too long, the ecosystem may not be able to cope with the changes, leading to a more serious ecological crisis. The video ends here. If you find it interesting, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell to support the channel. See you again in the upcoming video.